In the wake of the Newtown, Connecticut shootings, this comes as no surprise. Companies selling bulletproof backpacks and body armor are seeing a big surge in sales this week. Several online companies are selling backpacks a child could use to protect themselves during a school shooting. Most are between $100 and $300. Look at this. One website even shows the startling image of what appears to be a 12-year-old girl protecting herself from gunfire with her backpack. Some even have Disney princesses on them. Now, some parents groups say this is going overboard, claiming children would not be able to get their backpacks out of their lockers in time to protect themselves. But other families feel any protection is better than no protection in our schools right now. Interested or just curious and want to take a look at them? Well, I have the full story on my webpage at WCPO.com, along with links to these various companies that are selling these backpacks. Don't go away. At 5:30, I'll be back to tell you how your debit card could cause big problems for your holiday shopping so you don't waste your money. Clyde and Karen?
Thanks, John.
All right, John.